Hi, I'm JB Atkins.
And Rebecca Arce.
And we're Dual Dragons. So thank you for coming today for Maintenance Monday. We're going to be doing this amazing section on the head and neck. So while I'll be the person demonstrating the exercises and stretches along with the breathing technique. Rebecca will be your word of wisdom and guiding me through it.
Okay. Just for a review from the last video that you saw about breathing, we're going to be taking 3 breaths. So the first one is a deep inhale through the tummy, and then an exhale. Second one will be a deep inhale through the tummy. You're going to hold it for 10 seconds, and I will be doing a countdown. When I'm done, you will exhale slowly. Last breath, you're going to inhale, and on the exhale is when you will get out of whatever position you're in until the exhale. Just as a quick review. Okay. So for the neck, we're going to do some, first we're going to do some lateral rotation. That's lateral flexion. The rotation is this way. And then forward flexion and extension. Okay, so those are the positions we're gonna do. And we're also gonna do one where we kind of like guide you rolling your neck to see, and then just kind of like have you stop on spots that you feel, not the ones that we're gonna stop at. We're just gonna do ours as a demonstration. Okay, so first we're gonna start with rotation to the left, and then you're gonna rotate your neck until your body stops it. You're not gonna force it more than that. Take an inhale through the tummy, exhale, inhale one more time, and now you're gonna hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale one more time. And on the exhale, you'll turn your neck back to neutral. Now we're going to do a rotation to the right. Inhale through the tummy. Exhale. Inhale and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale one more time, and on the exhale, slowly rotate back to neutral. Now we're going to do a lateral flexion to the left. Inhale through the tummy. Exhale. Inhale one more time and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale one more time. And on the exhale, you're going to go back to neutral. Now we're going to do lateral flexion to the right. You're going to inhale through the tummy. Exhale. And then inhale again and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale one more time. And on the exhale, you go back to neutral. Now we're going to do forward flexion. And just stop where you naturally stop. Don't push it further. Inhale through the tummy. Exhale. Inhale one more time and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale one more time. And on the exhale, you go back to neutral. Now we're going to do extension of the neck. And again, you're going to extend it in where you stop. Don't go further. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale one more time. And on the exhale, you come back to neutral slowly. Now the next one we're going to do is we're going to start rotating our neck. And you're just going to rotate it in a comfortable way. You're not going to overdo it, like push it. So while you're rotating your neck, if you feel a spot like, oh, that doesn't feel good when I get to this spot, that's where you want to stop. So he found a spot that he's like, oh, this spot is sticky, or I can feel tension, or I feel a little pull, or I feel a little pain when I get to that spot. That's where you want to stop. Stop there, take a deep inhale breath, exhale, inhale one more time and hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Inhale one more time. And on the exhale, keep rolling. Keep rolling which way you were going. And if you happen to find another sticky spot, stop there and do it again.
And as you're done, on the exhale, you come back to neutral.
Yes.
So, side notes, if you do have a neck injury, make sure you get clearance from your medical provider, caretaker. So this is suggestions for what we do, because we do have a healthy body where we have no minimum injury other than just life and attention to that aspect.
Yes.
Other side note, when you're doing this, some of you might have already tension. Attempt to adjust and close your shoulder blades on the back, which then is going to bring up your neck while you do these exercises. This is going to help improve your posture and release some of the tension naturally. Some of the tension might be there because of the computers and tablets and phones or books late at night, or now that we're locked down, that's pretty much our office and work and learning place. So pinch the shoulder blades back.
Or how we say sometimes, roll your shoulders back. Roll them back. Roll them back. Roll them back.
So up, back, down.
So do like a military chest. You want that chest open, the back pinching closed. So then that way when you start doing these neck stretches, you're in a better posture. Another thing you might want to do is kind of push your chin in. So then that way you avoid, overstretching it too. Okay?
That'll be it for now. We actually do have one more.
The chakras. So we're
Right.
just going to talk a little bit. On the last video, we did a little demo of all the chakras, but right now we're only focusing on the neck. For the neck chakra, we have the throat chakra, and that's a beautiful bright blue indigo color. And so when we do neck, you want to focus on that chakra energy circle to open the throat. A lot of people that I have come across, when they have a lot of neck issues, sometimes it's energy that's blocked. They're not speaking their truth or unable to speak, or not being heard, so they close off. So that's a concept of the energy.
Which we practice. It's we do many different modalities that could touch bases to sound vibration, where we have special healing bowls from Tibet that we use. But for you at home, along with the breathing technique, imagine the color
Indigo blue.
which will be similar to what? The sky?
No, this is much more deeper blue. It's not like a royal blue. It's
In between.
In between, yeah.
So as you breathe, imagine you breathing in that blue, allowing your throat chakra to open up.
Yes.
And you may recognize that.
Always make it go, when you're visualizing it, always make that circle go clockwise. That's the correct direction it should be circling in. So it's like, just imagine a clock. So that's the way it should be turning. That energy circle should be turning clockwise. I know on the screen it looks backwards, but it's clockwise.
So a simple visualization of imagining the indigo blue as you breathe in and doing the stretches as well, all would be very, very beneficial for you. And of course, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us and we'll be happy to guide you on a complimentary, not so much a full session, just a complimentary 15-minute call to make sure you're doing it correct, or if you like any personal guidance. And we go from there if you want to do a private session.
Yeah.
Remember, stay healthy and breathe intentionally.